being a producer is as good as being an entrepreneur, and that comes second in my list. And
John, how does it feel like having the most famous backside in the country, right? And on behalf of all your fans, when do they get to see a peek of it again?
guys, thanks for coming here. And the backside makes me feel comfortable when I sit down, so it's good. It's like someone said, it's always good to work the lower part of your body as much as you work the upper part of your body, and I think I concentrate on that a lot, and that's why I think I've got a strong foundation, including a very strong posterior. When does one get to see that again? I think this year we've got a number of films that are happening, be it Force 2, be it Dishum with Varun and me. I think that one seems like where the biggest possibility of something happening is possible. So really excited about working on projects. It's going to be a year full of projects where the body is showing.
Right.
It's going to be intense, a lot of fun, and great commercial cinema.
Right. Great. Thank you, John. A little more serious now. You wear many hats. You're first a big Bollywood star, then a producer, a sports entrepreneur, and a fitness icon. If I were to ask you to rank these 4 occupations in the order of what's closest to your heart, how would you number them?
I think being very clearly being an actor is closest to my heart, and that's my core. And I'd love to do films every year, many films every year, and different kinds of films. So that's always going to be my first love.
Yes.
The other parts, being an entrepreneur, being a producer, I think being a producer is as good as being an entrepreneur, and that comes second in my list. And of course, having a sports team is also inclusive of all that. But being an actor is most important, Jamal. And
But fitness icon.
Oh yeah, of course. Fitness icon is something that's up there with being an actor, because I've always wanted to be fit irrespective of the fact that I'm an actor or no.
Right.
And that's what I believe, that everyone sitting out here should be fit irrespective of whether you have your shirt off or no. And I just think it's important to be fit 24/7. And by fitness, again, I don't mean only a six-pack, like I say be clean in your mind, clean in your body, clean in your soul, and clean in your actions. And I think you can get the best results.
No, absolutely. I think one of the biggest messages John has sent out is how to be fit. Shot a great video for our TV show yesterday. Spent a few hours, inspired a young boy so much that he's been posting pictures on Facebook.
Yeah.
And I think that's going to inspire a lot of other people.
Rajat,
Dabu, I'm going to draw you into the discussion. What was the experience shooting John? How many women were present at the set, and what were their reactions like?
John and me go a long way back. I mean, he was junior to me in school, and I shot his first ever portfolio. So, yeah, we share a lot of memories from back then. And, one thing with John and me is that every shoot that we've done, we've pushed ourselves to the next level. Whether, it is a body shot, whether it is it was his portfolio and ad campaigns and everything. I think we've bettered ourselves and we've pushed ourselves, and this is the newest shoot. So I think it's our best work. And John called me and said that, I want to shoot these pictures. I mean, I said in less than 1 second, I said, of course I'll be there, and we did these pictures and this series of pictures where we did, the whole magazine is full of that. So it was great. It's always great fun and great energy, and very inspiring, because, he gives us so much tips about fitness while we are shooting, including Manisha and me both. And it's always great fun and great memories that we share in the shoot. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing this one, and I'm proud that it's here, and I'm here as well.
And let me tell you that it's been appreciated hugely. It's been a week since it's been on set, and there are several big bookstores that have called for second supplies, and it's going out of stock. John himself was able to get a copy only 2 days ago, and when I investigated trying to see why the stores in Bombay didn't have it, it's not like they weren't supplied; they were sold out. Right? So I hope you all got your copy.